how I do my hard-boiled eggs is I actually do these in the Instant Pot, and it's the easiest way that I've found to be able to do hard-boiled eggs without worrying. So the reason why I took them out 30 minutes before so they don't crack, because the Instant Pot is going to get really hot really fast and they will crack. So I'm going to put a cup of water. It doesn't matter if it's hot or cold. I haven't found a difference. I'm going to take this steamer basket, put my eggs in here, my eggies. So I'm just going to lower the steamer basket into my Instant Pot at the top on. And pressure for 5 minutes, and that's really where I'm going to go. I'm going to do manual, 5 minutes, let it go. It'll start doing its own thing, so I don't have to worry about it right now. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to come up to pressure, and then it'll do the pressure for 5, and then I leave it to go for 5 minutes on the regular natural venting, and then I just boof it off. And it really doesn't take much longer than that. It's going to stop the cooking process so that the eggs don't continue to get too boiled. You can experiment here. So if you want to have softer boiled eggs, you can make that happen. Just depends. Do soft boiled eggs. I think I would start out kind of working on where you're comfortable with how done your eggs are and working backwards from there. So if you wanted to do 5 minutes at the start and that works for you, that's great. If you want them soft or boiled, pull it back to 4 minutes, and keep going, obviously not too far, but I think 4 minutes will probably get you not a soft boiled egg, but probably as soft boiled as I would like it. All right, so I'm gonna release these out and shock them. Those are gonna shock for about 5 minutes. Check these out. They feel good. And I'm actually going to peel these. And I'm going to put them in a stasher bag to throw into the fridge so that they're already peeled, they're already ready. So, just to show you actually, should just peel them in here. And then for the stasher bags, you just seal it. And it's good. That's it. Ready to go. Nice and easy.